Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. The moment all you BMW GS riders have been waiting for has finally arrived. Yes, I'm talking about the International GS Trophy 2022 India Qualifier. A hearty welcome to all of you. We are back here with all the information about the India Qualifier, which I promise is going to be bigger than ever before. The International GS Trophy is an event that celebrates the spirit of the legendary BMW GS models. It offers everything that a GS motorbike was made for: riding fun, adventure, and challenges. A competition designed exclusively for the BMW GS owners across the globe since its inception in 2010 has now become one of the world's biggest adventure events. This year too, 22 teams will compete with 60 riders from all over the world. The International GS Trophy is not a race, but a team competition in which an international lineup of off-road enthusiasts compete together in various spatial stages. Not all these tests are purely designed as riding tests. It is also about knowledge and teamwork. The GS Trophy connects people, cultures, and motorcyclists from all over the world in the same way as the GS motorbikes do. In the 8th edition of the International GS Trophy, this time the location is Albania. Rugged mountains, vast valleys, wild rivers, dense forests, and a fantastic coastline. BMW Motorrad will bring the International GS Trophy to Albania in late summer 2022. The country, which is considered an insider tip for off-road touring, is incredibly rich in flora, fauna, and culture. The best enduro riders in the world can look forward to discovering this unknown beauty on their GS bikes in numerous special stages and experience the spirit of GS up close. I invite each and every GS rider for India to come and participate and test your skills. You might be the one representing Team India at the International Trophy in Albania.
We at BMW Motorrad India are extremely thrilled to bring to you the BMW GS Trophy India Qualifier. This will be the third time we are hosting our India qualifying events. The first ever Indian team that participated in the International GS Trophy 2018 comprised of Winston Lee, Suparesh Venkat, and Sanket Shanbag. The second time for the 2020 edition in New Zealand, it was V. Satyanand, Shakil Basha, and Ricky Nayak. The GS Trophy qualifying events have always been special for the GS community in India. Let's look at some of the highlights from what went down in 2019. Take a look. In the last few years, the BMW GS community has increased and strengthened in a very big way. I'm today very pleased to say that our community is now close to 5,000 GS riders in India. At BMW Motorrad India, it has always been about the experiences that we curate for our Motorrad family. And this is where we started the BMW GS experiences and rider trainings in 2018. Talking about GS experiences in India, we cannot possibly imagine this without our own BMW Motorrad certified off-road instructor, Shahnawaz Karim. Shahnawaz will once again be the key responsible person for organizing the International GS Trophy India qualifying events. Hi Shahnawaz.
Hi Abhi.
Good to see you. Over the last 3 years, BMW Motorrad India with Shahnawaz have conducted more than 75 GS training events across the country and have trained over 1,500 GS customers in India.
Thank you for having me here, Abhinandan. This is for sure really exciting. This will be the biggest qualifying event in India for GS Trophy this year, and I can't keep calm.
Great. Now let's look at some of the most important information that everyone is waiting to hear. All BMW GS models in the country starting from the G310 GS to the R1250 GS Adventure are eligible to participate. Each participant must own and should be able to demonstrate the proof of ownership at the time of the qualifier. A road licensed BMW GS motorcycle in a good technical condition is all you need. And to add, this being an India qualifying event, participants must also be a permanent resident of India. As safety of the riders is of prime importance to us, Shahnawaz, could you share some details about what is expected from the riders on the riding gear front?
Sure. Each participant must be dressed completely in riding gear that is suitable for competition during the qualifier and would be checked for proper fitment and use. Suitable riding gear is basically DOT, ECE or SNELL certified helmets, motorcycling gloves, motorcycling boots, motorcycling long sleeves jersey jacket or enduro jersey, motorcycling street or enduro pant, impact protection at back, shoulder, elbows, hips and knees. All riding gear must be properly fitted for effective use. Additionally, we would also recommend use of enduro tires on your motorcycle.
The GS Trophy India qualifier will be divided into 4 India zonal rounds. GS riders can join us at any of these qualifiers at their convenience. Please note, every participant will compete in the zonal rounds on their own motorcycles. The dates of the qualifier are Mumbai, 23rd and 24th October, New Delhi, 30th and 31st October, Bangalore, 13th and 14th November, and Bhubaneswar, 20th and 21st November.
All participants will compete against each other in the zonal qualifiers, out of which the top 25 participants will be shortlisted for the national finals, which will take place on 11th and 12th December 2021. Location for the national qualifiers will be disclosed soon. To make sure that the qualifiers are conducted in safe environment, following all protocols, we will be slotting the participants in strict time zones each day. The participants must reach the venue as per the slots provided to them. The agenda of the day for participant would be arrival at the venue, registration and signing of indemnity, motorcycle and proof of ownership check, qualifying exercises to be performed by each participant of the group, and departure. The participants would be asked to perform certain exercises to test their skills and handling of the motorcycle in an off-road environment. The top 25 riders shortlisted will be invited for the finals on 11th, 12th December 2021. The riders who best master rough terrain, navigation exercises with the GPS and knowledge about the GS will form the national team and thus the ticket to the International GS Trophy at Albania next year.
We're extremely pleased with the growing interest in adventure motorcycling amongst our female GS riders. So we strongly encourage all women riders in the country to participate in the India qualifier. There will be a separate ranking system for female participants. The top 2 female riders from India will stand a chance to be shortlisted to form the India national female team. The female teams will be ranked against other female teams worldwide basis their points tally, and the best 6 female teams across all national qualifying events will be selected for the International GS Trophy.
Abhi, what about the motorcycle in the final round?
Motorcycle for the final round will be the new BMW R1250 GS. Motorcycle for the finalists will be provided by BMW Motorrad India. Let's have a look at the 1250 GS.
Now the most important part, how to register yourself. Registration for the Indian zonal rounds can be made by getting in touch with the nearest authorized BMW Motorrad dealership. Registration fee INR 5,000. Registrations open today and the last day for registration will be 15th October 2021.
Hope to see all of you there. Until then, make life a ride.